Hello guys! In this video, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-apply ng multi-purpose loan sa pag-ibig or salary loan sa pag-ibig. So to start, punta na tayo sa ating virtual pag-ibig profile. So punta lang tayo sa Google and then i-click lang yung virtual pag-ibig and then mag-login lang tayo. So after login, mapupunta na tayo dito sa pinaka homepage ng inyong virtual pag-ibig profile. So now, para makapag-apply tayo ng multi-purpose loan dito sa gilid, so makikita natin sa baba, multi-purpose loan. So i-click natin yan. Yan. So if you want to click the view para makita kung may existing loan ka. So no multi-purpose loan record found. So wala tayong multi-purpose loan na existing. So pwede na tayong mag-apply. So dito makita natin may apply. So i-click natin yan. Member has no existing multi-purpose loan application. So apply now. Click natin yan. So dito guys, makikita natin yung members contribution details, yung total savings mo. So we have 24,000 total savings. Number of contributions, 198. So 90% of that is 22,256. So 90% yan ang pwede mong ma-loan. So from your total savings, 90% of that is your loanable amount. So dito, maximum loanable amount is 22,256.39. So based din yan kung magkano yung total savings mo. So 90%. So, loan purpose. Note, net proceeds is subject to change based on the net pay confirmed by your employer's policy on the minimum take-home pay, if any, or based on the evaluation of Pag-ibig Fund. So, loan purpose, lagay lang natin kung para saan yung i-apply mong loan. So, let's say car repair. And then, loan term. Kung ilang months mo siya i-pay. So, 12 months, 24 months, 36 months. So, dito lang tayo sa 24 months. Para hindi masyadong malaki yung monthly natin. So, 24 months. So, depende na sa inyo pumili. Pwede 12 months, 24, or 36 months. So, loyalty card number. So, naka-fill in na siya dyan. So, click here to indicate that you have read and agreed to the Pag-ibig Fund Multi-Purpose Loan Application Agreement. So, i-click lang natin yung box. And then, click Submit. Please provide the following details before continuing with your loan application. Desired loan amount. Okay? Desired loan amount. So, lagay lang natin maximum. Ito, click lang natin yung maximum. Maximum loanable amount. So, submit. Submit multi-purpose loan application. Yes. Click natin yes. Your one-time PIN OTP will be sent to your mobile number ending in 1320. Okay. So, OTP code. Enter your OTP code na marireceive mo through SMS. So, 6116. Then, click proceed. So, here, ito na guys, loan reference number, loan amount, ang loan term, 24 months, pending for employer certification. So, kapag ka naka-apply na tayo, so like ganito, yung status is pending for employer certification. So, i-inform natin yung ating employer na nag-apply tayo ng Pag-ibig loan para ma-certify nila. Mag-notify kasi ito sa email nila and then i-click lang nila yung approve. So, para makaproceed na tayo sa ating loan application. So, i-inform lang natin ang ating employer. So, kinaumagahan guys, nag-inform kami sa employer at na-certify naman agad. And then, kinabukasan, na-approve na siya ng Pag-ibig. And then, the following day, na-deposit na yung account. So, 2 days lang yung processing. 2 working days at madi-deposit na yung or ma-release na yung amount sa inyong ATM.